Hi friends, today I want to show you how to plant a bird of paradise seeds. Look, this is the seeds look like orange and black. This look like cana seeds, coyoles, but this bird of paradise I buy online in a good retailer, online seller, 5-star sky. So you're supposed to soak in the water for at least 2 hours. And after 2 hours, put it in a good potting soil mix. In about 4 weeks, you have baby sprouts. So we wait for 2 hours, and then I go put it right here. I have my mix ready. I use a good quality potting soil and a little bit of PMS and perlite. So it's have been 2 hours already, and then I go ready to plant. Look, this is the seeds. I just put it in a potting mix. In each square, and cover with a little bit of soil, and then put it water. And that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Adios.